Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time, Izzy. I want to show you what is going on with these websites that you have. Again, my name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions. The point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company and bring yourself more traffic, more leads, more sales. Now, there's three particular things you need on a website. You need content, backlinks, and citations. Many companies can build a website beautiful, but they will fall short with the content and the keywords for search engine optimization. Now, I want you to understand every time you type something into Google, when you're typing here into Google to search, these are keywords that you're typing in, and Google uses those keywords to find websites that best fit the search. Search engine optimization, websites with the right amount of content and keywords. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keywords that are being typed in. And that is how these websites get categorized. This is how you establish rank. Now, you want 1,500 to 2,000 keywords on your website, depending on your competition, the number of keywords that are needed. Now, backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another. It builds trust. So what I wanted to show you here is I plugged in plumber, Sebastian, Florida. You understand this is the map section. This is where a lot of exposure happens. A lot of people search in the map for something near me. Plumber near me. To rank here in the map, you need a Google Business Profile and citations. Citations are name, address, and phone number that mirror your Google Business Profile and connect you to service areas in which you want your business to serve. So when somebody is searching for a particular plumber in Sebastian, Florida, you want to have that as a service area or location to pop up here. Once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely it will bring value to your business and move you up the ranking structure. Now, underneath the map is all organic rank. Organic ranking comes from content, keywords, and backlinks. So when somebody's typing, Google is searching for the most relevant website with the greatest amount of content for the search. I put your website in. This is the Stuart, Florida one. I have this tool here. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind your website, and that you have 7 backlinks, 4 domains, 5 keywords, and 0 traffic. This website isn't doing anything for you. Secondly, your other website, this Sebastian, Florida, oh, these both Sebastian, Florida? Stuart, Florida, I'm sorry. Your second website is Sebastian, Florida. I put that into the same tool. 5 backlinks, 3 domains, 2 keywords, no traffic. This website is not doing anything for you. So building 2 websites is not working for you. What you want is one correctly built website with a service location that covers everywhere you want to be with the right backlinks and the right citations to put you on the map. Now, as an example, we have Mr. Plumber Incorporated right here. My Mr. Plumber, he is number 1. I have Mr. Plumber here. This is his website. I put him into the tool. He has 6 backlinks, 4 domains. Now, he doesn't have much, but he does have 118 keywords, and he's getting 114 views per month from that. Keywords, what somebody is typing into Google, and the volume, the amount of times per month these keywords are being searched. Plumber, Sebastian, Florida is being searched 250 times a month. Plumbers, you see that? Plumber, plumbers, keywords, 250 times a month. Mr. Plumber, 5,000 times a month. Plumber Inc., 700. Florida Plumber, 100. Cost Cutters, Sebastian, Florida, I'm not quite sure what that is. Mr. Plumber, Plumber near me, 150 times. When you add all of these up, that is the amount of people that are looking for service per month. That's over 2,000 people. 2, 4, 5, 3. That is a lot of exposure that you're going to get. With the right content and the right keywords, you will be found. You will generate traffic, you will have leads, and they will become sales. Unfortunately, you do not have the right content, you do not have the right keywords, you do not have enough citations, you do not have enough referring backlinks to come back to you. Not all backlinks are equal. You want a strong domain rank and fair traffic. For example, you would not want a pizza shop talking about referring back to your plumbing company. They don't carry as much weight and power as another plumbing company referring back to your plumbing company. You see, it's popularity, and Google uses that to build trust. It's like an endorsement. You need that. That helps rank. It helps verify. It helps Google verify that you are an authority in what you're doing, and it creates a rank structure. It would be very easy to have all of these backlinks and more. If you wanted to dominate, you could get 50 backlinks, 200 keywords, and you would easily take first spot. It just all depends on how these things start to come together. So with that being said, you can have a website built, you can have two websites built, but two of them doing nothing isn't doing anything for you. You need to take one, combine all your power into that one, and then use the map area to cover all of the area that you want to cover within your Google business profile. So however many surrounding towns, cities, or counties built into your Google business profile, linked with citations from Angie's, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. So you bulk up on those, and then your content and your keywords will dominate the rest of it. That is how Google is going to start to see you becoming more relevant and referenced, and it creates a lot of power. So I hope this gives you a better understanding of what's going on behind closed doors. If you would have any questions, we could talk, chat. If you wanted to go over realistic goals for your business, if you wanted to get serious and bring in traffic and leads and make something and start banging out a lot of sales and bringing business into you, that would not be a problem. I hope you understand this. Thank you. Have a nice night.